What happens when we ask, how does the ecosystem want to support us? The answer is always restorative. Currently, there are restorative ocean farms cropping up all over the world. They grow food the way a healthy ecosystem does, multiple species together. Ecologically, the benefits are vast. They act as a major carbon sink, improve water quality, and increase biodiversity. Naturally, there are socio-economic benefits as well, from improved nutritional outcomes to job security and job creation. But when the whole community is involved, that's when it turns the corner from an ocean farming business to a restorative ocean community. I call this ecocentric equity, meeting the needs of a group of people by centering the ecosystem. When ecosystems thrive, so do we, because literally everything we have comes from an ecosystem. With community involvement, we can build a network of sustainable businesses that regenerate ecosystems while supporting communities through reviving cultural practices and thinking inclusively. Imagine a space where ocean farmers share their waters with curious school groups and university students collecting data that comes back to the farmers to improve their work. Low-impact farm tours welcome visitors to a new relationship with the sea. Late summer food festivals and seasonal menus connect the ocean garden to the land farm to the local restaurant, where the ocean farm is a living classroom, a cultural anchor, and an economic engine, all at once. The benefits across these dimensions, ecological, cultural, and socioeconomic, are not in conflict. They actually support each other and create resilient communities. Essentially, across every measure, we find ourselves with a win-win-win-win, forever winning situation. These ocean gardens and the communities built around them are so inspiring to me because they represent something that the sustainability movement has long needed. A shift from just do less harm to build something beautiful. I believe in this deeply, which is why I'm currently coordinating with nonprofits to help support and expand these communities where they're needed most. And if you want to get involved, contact me. This is how we tend the ocean. And in tending the ocean, we tend to each other.